Hello and welcome to Speed Auto TV. I am Vashakha Thakur. Metaplanet has added 135 Bitcoin to its treasury, strengthening its position as one of Japan's most active corporate Bitcoin investors. Well, on February 25, the company announced the $12.8 million purchase, bringing its total Bitcoin holdings to 2,235 Bitcoin at an average price of $82,000 per Bitcoin. The company's BTC yield, which measures the amount of Bitcoin held per share, grew by 309.8% in Q4 2024, and it has, however, slowed down to 23.2% in early 2025 as Metaplanet increased the number of its shares. Circle has announced that its stablecoin USDC and EURC are fully recognized by the Dubai Financial Services Authority. This makes these two stablecoins the first ones to be regulated coins under the DIFC's crypto token regime. The approval announced today means that USDC and EURC can be used more widely by over 6,000 firms in the DIFC financial institutions and fintech companies for digital asset services, payments, and treasury management. Lawmakers in the U.S. state of Ohio have introduced a bill that prohibits the state legislature from imposing taxes on digital assets when used as a payment method. The bill aims to amend existing legislation preventing municipalities from imposing extra taxes or fees on crypto assets beyond those applied to traditional fiat transactions. Also, the bill clarifies that taxes usually apply to legal tenders such as state or sales taxes, which still apply to crypto transactions. But there should be no new levies. And the bill also lets its residents retain the right of self-custody their digital assets using hardware or self-hosted wallets and partake in crypto staking. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has acknowledged NYSE Arca's proposal on behalf of crypto asset manager Grayscale to list and trade a spot Cardano ETF. Although it's only the first step towards approval, the SEC's Feb 24 acknowledgement of Grayscale Cardano Trust means the clock will soon start for the agency to eventually approve or reject the proposed ETF. Well, it comes amid a flood of crypto ETF acknowledgements from the new SEC leadership, including CBOE's XRP ETF, Grayscale Spot XRP, and DogeCoin ETF, and Nasdaq's filing to position and exercise limits on options tied to BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust. South Dakota's House Commerce and Energy Committee rejected a bill to allow the state to invest up to 10% of its treasury in Bitcoin, deferring it beyond the legislative session. The bill, introduced by Representative Logan Manhart, aimed to diversify investments into Bitcoin due to its value-preserving potential, but faced opposition due to concerns about over Bitcoin's volatility. And Manhart plans to reintroduce the bill in 2026. Other states have also explored Bitcoin reserves with limited success, while federal discussions on a national Bitcoin stockpile are ongoing. Crypto exchange Bybit repaid a 40,000 Ether loan worth around $104 million to BitGet within 3 days after a $1.4 billion hack on February 21. The attack, believed to be orchestrated by North Korea's Lazarus Group, caused major disruptions, but Bybit managed to replenish its reserves and continue operations. The loan was provided interest-free and without collateral. Also, Bybit has since restored almost 88% of stolen funds through loans and other sources. Despite the hack, Bybit's reserves remain sufficient to cover user withdrawals, and investigations continue into the hack's origins and the use of mixing services to launder the stolen crypto. Solana is seeing significant outflows as stakers withdraw their coins, driven by a price drop to $130 range. Now, withdrawals from staking have slightly outpaced deposits, while whales leading the way. So, the overall staking share has fallen from 69% to 64.65%, and unstaked SOL, including 11.2 million tokens unlocked from FTX, is adding pressure to the market, with some reaching exchanges like Binance. A whale recently unstaked 96,155 SOL, valued at $13.49 million, contributing to volatility. Also, SOL has dropped over 50% from its peak, though it shows signs of being oversold, suggesting a potential reversal. Also, major Solana protocols like Jito, Sol, and Helios Labs are experiencing slower inflows and increasing withdrawals. Additionally, Solana's economic activity is declining, with apps like Pump.Farm, Radium, and Orca seeing reduced revenue generation, while demand for Sol, particularly in the meme token market, is weakening. Chainflip, a cross-chain automated market maker, is launching an upgrade to block illicit funds from its decentralized exchange protocol following the $1.4 billion hack on Bybit by North Korea's Lazarus Group. The upgrade aims to prevent hackers from using Chainflip to swap stolen ETH for USDC. The decision, backed by the Chainflip community, includes expanding a broker-level screening feature to reject high-risk Bitcoin deposits tied to hacks, fraud, or scams. This upgrade will enhance security, protect liquidity providers, and reduce exposure to risky flows. Also, Chainflip's main interface was temporarily put into maintenance mode on Feb 22 to mitigate the threat. The upgrade is expected to go live within 24 to 72 hours. Citadel Securities, a leading market maker, has announced its entry into crypto trading, marking a significant shift in traditional finance. The firm plans to provide liquidity on major exchanges like Coinbase and Binance, capitalizing on growing institutional interest in the cryptocurrencies in a more favorable regulatory environment. Historically cautious about digital assets, Citadel's move reflects increased confidence in the crypto market's maturation, and the firm's involvement is expected to enhance market stability and attract more institutional investors, though challenges such as regulatory uncertainty and market volatility remain. Citadel's extensive experience in traditional finance positions it well for success in the crypto space, and this move signals a growing acceptance of digital assets within traditional finance. In India, crypto exchange trading volumes have surged, reaching $1.9 billion in the October-December 2024 quarter, driven largely by retail traders. Many young Indians, especially from non-metro cities like Jaipur, Lucknow, and Pune, are increasingly gravitating towards crypto due to stagnant job growth and low pay increases. So the exchange executives note that retail traders have been the primary drivers of crypto interest, despite warnings from Indian authorities. India's crypto market is expected to grow significantly, reaching over $15 billion by 2035. The growth has been especially pronounced in lower-tier cities, with 7 of the top 10 crypto activity centers being outside major metros. That's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.